Welcome back to Bruce YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, what time you are watching this. Last week, I forget what is the date already. Last week I did upload videos and talk about what I think about 3D printed masks. I see a lot of replies say you can clean it up with kind of method, and heard that the virus only lived 2 days on the thing. I don't know where you guys hear that. Yes, your alcohol maybe can kill the virus but you're not sure, right? There's no way to sure. The answer is I don't know. I won't recommend because I don't know. If I recommend use everything can be reused after wash it and you got the virus who will responsibility for you? That's only you. I was until now 1 week later I did help print some face shield and make some parts. You can watch my Instagram, and I still the same thinking. Do not reuse them because it is not safe. Well, I did read from I hear that I saw that comment that say the virus only live 2 days. You can print two and reuse each other's. But is that true? No, you don't know, right? Because I read from internet there are few different timing, like from 2 hours to 9 days. Who are really can confirm this? Only someone who really doing the test. They got equipment to check out the virus, and they got full PPE to check. That's not me. I only doing 3D printing, so I only build the parts that I can build. Well, normally even you use alcohol to dim the parts in. If it's not that, what if, right? The question is, what if? This is biohazard. You don't reuse something with biohazard because that is a risk. Maybe 0.1% of risk. You may cause the second wave of the coronavirus. Boom. Again, right? I don't know you accept this or not. If you still think that 3D printed part is reusable, you can try it, you can use it, it's fine. But I not suggest. I don't believe that. If I'm wearing that part in my house for dust proof, that is definitely reusable. If one day you saw someone that you feel like you got risk to get caught the virus on your mask, even yourself is fine, do not touch it, throw away straight away. Do not reuse it. Don't think that you can wash away the virus. The key is no way you can know the virus actually on your mask or not. There's no way to do it unless you are professional with the kind of zoom in and see. You got a special eye. I don't know, but we both don't have that skill. Come on, we are all normal people, and no matter how you say in the comment, I will not agree that this is reusable. 3D printed part or whatever method you use, even acrylic, from what I read from the website is it can live on the wood for 5 days. On the paper, glass or PVC should be more than 5 days, and the longest one in the room temperature can be up to 9 days, which means whatever maybe fly in the sky, actually possible one wind go to your face is contain the virus. Who know, right? So when you leave your house area, make sure you wear mask or face shield, whatever thing, protect yourself. After you go back to in-house environment, throw away straight away. Yes, I know I'm the one who cannot get the mask at all. I know the mask is very expensive. I did order, it's wait for weeks, not arrived yet. To me, I don't have any mask with me. I don't go out. I print. I have no choice, and I use it. You will see me use a 3D printed part mask, and don't ask me why I use it. I throw away shit. I throw away every time I go out because I know it might have the risk. I cannot take a risk. I am a husband. Okay, I got family. My brother stay with me. I cannot give them the risk. So I hope you responsibility for yourself. Stay home, stay safe. I will online be with you, and next video coming soon for special for other things, for 3D printing back, because talking about virus is not my professionalism. It's just sharing what I'm thinking. If you think this is correct, give me a thumb up so I know you're getting it, what I mean. If you don't think so, you can give me thumb up, thumb down, because I want to know how many of you do not accept this. And I cannot do anything. I just like to know. That's it. Thank you for watching. And this is my lazy video series because I'm not doing any cutting. I straight upload like that. Well, see you next video. Bye.